In today's video, we will be taking a look at the 7 different chakras and what they do. We will also go over some ways you can tell if your chakras are blocked, overactive, or open. And what activities you can do to open them. Chakra in Sanskrit, means wheel, and refers to energy points in your body. Each of these 7 main chakras has a corresponding number, name, color, specific area of the spine from the sacrum to the crown of the head, and health focus. The first chakra we will be looking at is the root chakra. Also known as the red chakra, located at the base of the spine. This chakra provides you with a base or foundation for life, and helps you feel grounded and able to withstand challenges. Your root chakra is responsible for your sense of security and stability. You will know this chakra is blocked if you have fears or anxiety. If this chakra is open, you will feel ease, less fears, less worries, and grounded. If this chakra is overactive, you will feel greed, power, or materialism. Some activities you can do to open this chakra is growing plants or grounding your feet on Earth's surface. So the second chakra is going to be your sacral chakra. The sacral chakra, or Svadhisthana, is located just below your belly button. This chakra is responsible for your sexual and creative energy. It's also linked to how you relate to your emotions as well as the emotions of others. The color of this chakra is orange. Some ways to know that this chakra is open and aligned is feelings of passion, openness, creativity, and fulfillment. Some signs to know this chakra is blocked is lack of creativity, low libido, isolation, OCD, feeling uninspired, and feelings of guilt. Some signs to know this chakra is overactive is sexual addiction, manipulation, and self-fulfillment. Some activities you can do to open and balance this chakra a little more is to go outside in the moonlight, or near open water, or even dancing. So the third chakra we'll be looking at is the solar plexus. The solar plexus, or Manipura, spins in the area around the abdomen above the belly button, up to the breastbone. This chakra provides a source of personal power and relates to self-esteem, warrior energy, and the power of transformation. The color is yellow. Some signs to know this chakra is open is confidence, drive, ambition, and positive self-image. Some signs to know this chakra is blocked is feeling shame, having low self-esteem, lack of direction, inferiority, being indecisive, and victim mentality. Some signs to know that this chakra is overactive is perfectionism, being too critical, having control issues, and being power hungry. Some activities you can do to open this chakra is belly breath and being in the sunlight. So the fourth chakra is going to be the heart chakra. The heart chakra, or Anahata, is located near your heart, in the center of your chest. This comes as no surprise that the heart chakra is all about our ability to love and show compassion. Its responsibility is basically when your physical meets spiritual. Feelings of awareness, awakening, and connectedness is also some responsibilities that the heart chakra brings. The color of this chakra is green. Some signs to know that this chakra is open is feelings of love, tolerance, high vibrational energy, and peace. Some signs of blockage in the heart chakra is grief, intolerance, hatred, and trust issues. Some signs of overactiveness in the chakra is jealousy, codependence, lack of trust, over-apologizing, and self-sacrificing. Some activities to open and align this chakra is being around children, nature, and animals. So the fifth chakra is known as your throat chakra. The throat chakra, or Vishuddha chakra, is located at the center of the neck. This chakra acts as the individual's force of expression and individual truth, both internally and externally. The color of this chakra is blue. Some ways to know this chakra is open is communication, speaking the truth, and being able to have good listening skills. Some ways to know it's blocked is being misunderstood, secretive, having lack of attention and focus, and dishonesty. Some ways to know this chakra is overactive is being loud, interrupting people, being opinionated, gossiping, and using harsh words. Ways to open this chakra is by simply journaling. So the sixth chakra is the third eye chakra. The third eye chakra, or Ajna chakra, is known as the seat of intuition. Located in the center of the forehead, acts as the individual's center of wisdom, conscience, and insight. The color of this chakra is indigo. Some ways to know this chakra is open, or balance, is having clear vision, seeing beyond the physical, having clear thoughts, and intuition. Ways to know this chakra is blocked, is poor judgment, illusion, lack of imagination, lack of foresight, and only being able to see the physical point of view, rather than looking beyond just the physical insight. Some ways to know it's overactive, is having hallucinations, seeing spirits, having nightmares, and obsessiveness. Some activities to open and balance this chakra, is by starting a dream journal, and being out under the stars. So the seventh, and final chakra, is your crown chakra. The crown chakra, or Sahasrara, is located at the top of your head, and its color is violet. This chakra represents your spiritual connection to yourself, others, and the universe. The responsibility of this chakra is pure cosmic energy and expansiveness. Some ways to know if this chakra is open is having faith, universal love, awareness, knowing you are more than self, but part of one universe, and wisdom, just to name a few. Some ways to know this chakra is blocked is having earth attachment, psychological problems known as depression or anxiety, disconnection, and learning difficulties. Some ways to know this chakra is overactive is being judgmental, ungrounded, obsessiveness, spiritual addiction, and being dogmatic. Some activities to unblock this chakra is sitting in stillness, which you can do in meditation. So there you have it, the 7 chakras in detail. How they help us in everyday life, and how to know if they are blocked and how to open them if so. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to support the channel, and help it grow. Thanks for watching. We send you love and positivity.